Area pi r square. Perimeter 2 pi r.
Shettima Tutors. Cylinder volume is pi r squared h.
So this question says that a wire of circular cross-section has a diameter of 2 mm and a length of 350 meters. If the mass of the wire is 6.62 kilogram, calculate the density in calculate density in gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. Gram, put it in your head. Gram per centimeter cube. What? Gram per centimeter cube. This is very important. Now from the question, we're being told. So this is exactly how the wire looks like. That means that the cross section is circular, 2 millimeters in diameter. And then that 2 millimeters, since you are looking for centimeter, because this is in millimeter, you have to change it to centimeter. 2 millimeter is equals to 2 millimeter is 0.2 centimeters. Why? Because 10 millimeters gives you 1 meter. So 0.2 centimeters divided by 2. Why? It gives 0.1. Why are we doing 0.2 divided by 2? Because we're talking about the radius. The diameter is equals to radius equals to diameter over 2, and then we're having this. Alright, that density is giving us mass all over volume. Take note of that. So next thing is we calculate the volume. The volume is given to us because this is cylindrical, is pi r squared h. But remember that the length, which represents the height, the 350 meter, has also converted to centimeter. So 350 meters is same as times 100 centimeter make 1 meter. Remember, so it gives us 35,000 centimeters. So that means that our length is 35,000 centimeters. And remember, applying this formula, pi r squared 22 over 7 times 0.1 and 0.1 times h, 35,000 centimeters. Next thing is, remember that 0.1 to 1 decimal place is times 10. Another times 10. This times 10 times 10, that's 100. So this, for this will become 1, 1. It has to multiply 10 here, 10 here, so it's 350. So it's 22 over 7 times 1 times 1 times 350. You know that 7 goes here, 1, 7 here, 7 times 5 is 35. And 0. So you are left with 1 times 1, of course, is 122 times 50. I told you this is too simple. This is just simple. 1,100 centimeter cube. What next do you need to do? Just, the question asks you, find your answer, give your density in gram per centimeter cube. Now you need to know the formula for density. The formula for density, is giving us mass all over volume. So now because we are supposed to give our answer in gram per centimeter cube, the mass is giving us 6.82 kilogram. Convert it to gram times 1,000, it will give you 6820 grams. So that means that our mass is 6820 all over the volume, which we already got, 1100. So the density will be equals to, so after cancelling, 0 cancels, 0, 11 here, 1, 11 times 6, 66, 2, 22, 11 times 2, 22. So you are left with 62 over 10. 62 over 10 is equal to 6.2 gram per centimeter cube. It is simple.